Tip number 1. If you have an abundance of curry leaves, here what you can do. Take the curry leaves and separate them from the stems. Heat the leaves in a pan on low flame for a few minutes until they become crisp, ensuring you don't burn them. Allow the roasted curry leaves to cool completely. Grind the cool curry leaves into a fine powder. Store the curry leaves powder in an airtight container. You can add this powder to fry items, curries, or any salads to enhance the flavor. This is a great way to preserve the utilize excess curry leaves. Tip number 2. To reduce the amount of oil absorbed in deep fried items like vada, chicken pakoda, or mirchi bhajis. Follow these tips. Heat 1 liter of oil in a deep pan or fryer pan. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of salt to the pan. Mix it well. Use this prepared oil for deep frying your recipes. This method helps reduce the absorption of oil in the fried items, making them less. Tip number 3. Boil water in a pot and add half teaspoon of salt. Slice the onion evenly into thin slices. Once the water comes to a boil, add the sliced onion and let them blanch for 1 minute. Turn off the heat and remove the onion from the water. Allow the onions to drain completely. Heat a pan with half a liter of oil over medium heat until the oil become hot. Add the drained onions to the hot oil and fry them until they turn golden brown, starting occasionally for even cooking. Remove the fried onion using a slotted spoon and place them. Your crispy fried onions are ready to serve. Tip number 4. If there is too much salt in curries, you can reduce it as follows. Take some sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and almonds. Grind those three ingredients into a fine powder. And this powder to the curries, dal, or any dishes, and you can add in salads also. Stir well to balance the salt in the recipes effectively. This method helps neutralize the saltness and enhance the flavor of your dish. Thank you for watching my tips.